Okay, now I am here with my student Ketki Joe, and we are trying to work upon division of fractions. Before we go on, let us understand that division is opposite operation of multiplication. Division is opposite operation of multiplication. What do we mean by that? Let us take a few examples. So, Ketki, what is 5 multiplied by 6?
30.
30. Good. So, if I uh, take this 30 and divide it by 5, what do you get?
6.
And if I take this 30 and divide it by 6, what do we get?
5.
5. So, see these statements carefully. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6 and 30 divided by 6 is 5. So in this way you can understand the relationship between these two operations, multiplication and division. There is some relationship between these two operations. Now if we have understood this, then we will go ahead for fractions. First we will take up one fraction multiplied by one integer. So 2 is an integer multiplied by 1 by 2. So what is the answer? How to think? 1 by 2 in normal language, what do you say? Half. 1 by 2 is half.
Yes.
And half of 2 is what?
And 1.
Half of 2 is 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is 1. So 1 divided by 2 is what? 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
And 1 divided by 1 by 2 is what? 2. So as we did by, for say for integers, we say for example 4 multiplied by 7 is 28, and so we take 28 divided by 4 is 7 and 28 divided by 7 is 4. In the same lines, thinking the same way, we come to fraction. 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is 1. So 1 divided by 2 is 1 upon 2 and 1 divided by 1 upon 2 is 2. Have you understood this?
Yes.
Huh. So now let us go to another fractions. Say 2 by 3 multiplied by 9 by 8. So how to do this? We select pairs and reduce the terms. So we do it 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9, and so we get a statement 2 multiply 2 upon 3 multiplied by 9 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 4. Have you understood this much?
Yes.
So now we will divide 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 8 is 2 by 3, and 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 3 is 9 by 8. See if you understand this. Do you understand this?
Yes.
So this is the way how multiplication and division are related to each other. So now if you want to do say 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 3, now how to get this answer 9 by 8? This is the question. So now here we will think of one more thing. Division is multiplying by reciprocal. Do you know what is reciprocal?
No.
Two fractions, two fractions are reciprocals of each other if their product means multiplication, is 1. So suppose we have a fraction reciprocal. Suppose we have a fraction 2 by 7. If you multiply this by 7 by 2, you get 2 under 2, 2 under 2, 7 under 7, 7 under 7, and the answer is 1. So we say that 2 by 7 is reciprocal of 7 by 2. Understood this?
Yes.
Similarly, we can say 7 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 7. Or we can say 2 by 7 and 7 by 2 are reciprocals of each other. Huh? Can you repeat these three statements? 2 by 7 is
Reciprocal of 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 7, and 2 by 7 and 7 by 2 are reciprocals of each other.
good. So division means multiplication by reciprocal. Division 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 is multiplying by reciprocal. Multiplying by reciprocal. So A divided by B is A multiplied by 1 upon B, that is A upon B. Or A upon B divided by C upon D is A upon B. Now multiply by reciprocal of C upon D is D upon C, and the answer is A into D upon B into C. Okay, this is dividing is multiplying by reciprocal. So 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 8 is 3 by 4 multiply by 8 by 9. Now we get 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and the answer is 2 by 3. So 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 8 is 2 by 3. Have you understood?
Yes.
So try to do some divisions on yourself. Calculate in mind, mental calculation, and give me the answer of these divisions. Are you ready?
Yes.
So 15 by 28 divided by 9 by 7 or 9 by 14, let's say. Okay, so this division you have to do. Now you can tell me steps of the sum, or you can tell me directly answer. Better tell steps. Okay, what is the next step of this? First read the problem.
15 by 28 divided by 9 by 14.
Now what is the first step?
Uh,
Dividing it, multiplying by.
Reciprocal.
So
First, we will exchange these two.
means we have to take reciprocal of.
9 by 14.
So how will you write the step?
Reciprocal of 9 by 14 is equal to 14 by 9.
That you have to write. That you have to think mentally. What will you write? Do we make any change here?
No.
So tell me. Take this down. How will you read it?
15 upon 10.
15 upon
Sorry, 15 upon 28.
28. Now what sign will you put here?
Multiplication.
Multiplied by. What will you put here?
14 upon 9.
14 by 9. Good. So now how will you go ahead?
Fourteen ones are 14
Hmm.
and 14 twos are 28.
Good. And 9 and 15 both will go by
3.
So
3 threes are 9
hmm.
and 3 fives are 15.
Good. So what is the answer?
1 upon 3. Sorry, 5 upon 2.
5 upon
2.
Then what happened to this tree? Now multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. That is simple.
Then 5/6.
So 5 upon 6 is the answer. So we write 15 by 28 divided by 9 by 14 is equal to 5 by 6. This is how you divide fractions. Now the students or teachers or parents who are watching this video, I request you to practice at least 10 sums like this. I will not give. You only select and practice till you get perfection in this skill, division of fractions. Best of efforts. Thank you.